To one December the 7th. And here are my first update will be always from the Bitcoin, right? Okay, so how many of you guys still remember in my last webinar, I said the Bitcoin is going to drop to 50K and even to 44K, the markets, right? So this is my last trade idea. I said we want to sell from the 65K, okay? And we do actually took the sell and the Bitcoin. I said we're going to aim for 50K and 45K, and boom, it just hit the target, right? Yeah. So this is a nice job, nice fall, right? And again, our analysis, our trading ideas is perfectly, worked. And now the BTC has already found their support from 42K. Okay, so this level is become very major support, right? And hence, if you want to capture rally, right, you rather wait for the pullback. You can wait for the pullback, and there's going to be a retracement, and then we want to buy from like 45K maybe. So this is a good idea to buy the second retest and aim for 55K. But the major resistance will come from 55K. Okay, and you need to place a downside mark around this level because there might be another fall. There might be another fall from this 55K. No, I'm not always 100% right, but I'm just being able to capture the good shorting trading opportunities, okay, such as 65K. We do actually capture these trading opportunities, and I mentioned about this area, the neckline is about a 60K. Okay, so the neckline is here, and the price just break down, pull back, and boom, just crash like crazy, right? I do actually make the alerts to everyone in my last two webinars. Okay, I have embarrassed for Bitcoin for at least 2 weeks. So if you joined my webinar 2 weeks ago, you should be very clear that Jack is telling you the Bitcoin is going to hit to 50K or 44K. Okay, so everyone actually witnessed this. Okay, yeah, but I'm saying that I'm not being 100% right because I don't care. I really don't care I'm right or wrong because you can feel that my my goal is not to be right or wrong. My goal is to win money, right? So if I'm right, I always make sure that I will win big money. Okay, so this is a great example showing that by being a trader, being an investor, you don't need to be 100% right. You don't need to be even 70% right. You just need to be 50% right. Okay? If you're right, you win like 10K US dollar. If you were wrong, you only lose this much. Okay? So it's all about risk and reward ratio. Okay? So let's just make a conclusion. Everybody, okay? Remember my words. It is not important at all to be 100% right or 70% right. It is all about when you win, how much money you take back. When you lose, how much money you lose. Okay? We have to lose more and win big, and then we can be able to make money to our pocket consistently. All right? Give me five. Okay, reply me by five if you get my message. What is my message? Don't need to be 100% right, okay? But we need to win big, and lose more. That's so important. And if you want to apply this important trading rules, this is a number one important trading rules, okay? Win big, lose more. Then you have to ask yourself, have you ever thought where is your stop loss? Okay? I know not a lot of new traders, they don't have any concept. Okay, so where is your stop loss? You have to ask yourself this question. If you have no answer to this question, I can guarantee you one big loss, you're going to be burnout. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yeah, You see this message. Hello, please. I need help. I lose everything always. What I can. You have to learn. You have to learn what is the correct trading setups. Okay, to buy the low, pick the bottom, pick the top. Right. You have to learn what is this candlestick reference. Does this long shadow represent buyer, right? Where is the support nearby? Is 44K good enough to buy? And where is the next target to the potential pullback? You got to ask yourself this question before you really pull the trigger. Okay? Did you get the software? Okay, this software is from TradingView. TradingView, okay? Yeah. All right. So Bitcoin, I want you guys to focus on buy from 44 and short from 56. Okay, so type the message. Okay, buy 44. Hey, sell, right? 56K. You can type these two important figures in the screen. Okay, so emphasize these two important level 44K and 65K. Okay, type into the comments area so that everyone can see. BTC, we want to buy 44K or sell 56K. Okay, type 44 and 56. Thank you very much. Thanks for your good correspondence. Yeah, English please. English please. I can only understand English and Chinese. BTC, buy 44, sell 56. You can do this for this whole week. All right? Are we clear? Okay, good. Let's move on. Let's move on to the Shiba. Okay, always Shiba is a great product that everyone wants to ask. Okay, Shiba 0.00003 is touched, pin bar formed, right? You can invest for Shiba. You can invest it. Okay, it's okay to buy the Shiba from this level. It's going to rally, right? But don't use leverage. No leverage, please. Okay, for the ETH, Ethereum, okay, nice shot from 4,800. And I said in last week webinar, I said the ETH after form this bearish pattern is going to drop back to 3,600 and bone just hit. Okay, so this is my answer for ETH. And now it's pulling back. However, the major resistance is right on 4,500. Okay, so ETH, I want you guys to sell at 4,500. Sell the pullback. Sell the pullback. What's that? Okay. ETH major resistance at 4,500, and I think it's going to test 3,006 again, and eventually it may hit 3,200. If we're going to touch this level, 3200. So you can type this 3200 and 4,500 for your reference for important major support and major resistance. How I'm new, can you show me the basic of trading? Right, the basic of trading is very simple. Okay, I can just immediately give you guys the 4 setups. Okay, 4 setups. Do you want to learn? Do you want to learn? Okay, I want you give you guys this important 4 setups for basic trading. If you want to learn, reply me learn. Okay, reply me by learn. Then I will continue. All right. Yeah, I want to see the messages like rolling very fast. Learn. All right, let's learn trading. Okay. Okay, so these 4 setups is going to be the name, right? The name is called Heaven and Earth. Okay, Heaven and Earth. It's been very, very useful. Okay, for new traders. Okay, 4 trading setups. Okay, for what is the name? Heaven and earth. Step number 1. Step 1, okay, find a major support that is below current price. Step number 2, okay, find a major resistance above current price, the CP. Step number 3. Step number 3, okay, first time hit earth, buy. Stop loss below the earth. First time hit heaven, sell. Stop loss above heaven. Okay, if heaven broken, okay, buy the pullback. Earth broken, sell the pullback. Okay, this is 4 setups. I know that a lot of you guys may find a little bit difficult to understand the readings, right? Now, let's give a chart, right? So you got to find a major resistance above the current price, and you got to find a major support below the current price. Copy? Okay, and we name it, the above is the sky. Easy to understand, right? The sky is above the current price. And the earth is below the current price. All right. First time hit earth. Okay, I will tell you this is the trade 1. The first trade, trade 1. First time hit the heaven, trade 2. Trade number 2. Heaven broken by the pullback, trade 3. Earth broken, trade 4. Right, so there are 4 ready trading setups. Okay, first one is heaven. Okay, so the first time hit earth, what do you go? You buy. So you buy at here. Right? How about the next one? First time hit 7, hit hit the sky, hit the heaven. Because it's heaven, right? The price cannot go beyond anymore. You go sell. All right? Easy. Number 3. But the earth and the heaven is going to be broke out in the future, right? So if the earth is broken down, we go to sell. If the heaven was broken, we want to buy. Okay. So today I'm going to train you guys to understand these 4 basic setups, and I'm going to use the number. All right, I will just call, what is this? You guys just later on, all right, answer by the figures. If I said there's earth trade, you go 1. Heaven short, go 2. Heaven broken and pullback, buy is 3. Okay, earth broken and sell the pullback is 4. Right? Can you understand? If you can understand, just reply me by 5, and we are ready, and we're going to play this game. It's very, very, very easy and easy to learn, but effective to trade. Right? So I will divide the 4 trading setups, okay, into these 4 criteria, okay, which is 1 is a buy from the earth, 2 is sell from the heaven, 3 is buy the breakout and pull back of the heaven, 4 is sell the breakout and pull back to the earth. Understand? Okay? Okay, you may now want to take a screenshot. This is a 4 basic setups for beginning traders. And I believe this is the first time I share this simple 4 setups, but it's useful. Okay, you can apply the strategy many times. However, you got to have clear stop loss and the target, and don't gambling, don't all in. Okay, you have to follow the rules. All right. Okay. Have you completed the screenshot? If you already take the screenshot, I'm going to start the training. I am going to draw the sky, draw the heaven and earth, and then I will ask you what is the strategy, and you just reply me the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Yes, I will cover ICP later on. No worries. Before you ask me about any products, okay, ask yourself, are you here to learn how to trade, or are you here to wait for the trading signals? If you want to wait for the trading signals, probably I'm going to charge you $100, okay, per hour, because my time is really precious, and I don't want to waste time by giving signals, because signals are unreliable, right? I understand a lot of you guys have those kind of, the Telegram channel, whatever, okay? However, I want to tell you guys, if you don't understand what is the trading, what is the rules for trading, and you just pathetically waiting for those trading signals provided by a people who you don't know, who you have to trust on, and you're going to be in a very miserable way. Okay, do you know this guy? He said he's grew, but do you really know this guy? What if he give you a wrong signal? What if his trading strategy is not working at all in a long term? What if he's just so lucky that he captures some nice course? Okay, but you waste your time, you waste your money, and after this guy's trading signal is ended, you left with nothing, you learn nothing, right? So today I'm going to teach you at least a simple 4 trading setups so that you can benefit for yourself in the future trading. Are you happy with that? Are you happy with that? Okay, and are we ready? Okay, so just hang on a little bit. All right, I will cover the product later on, but we just to make sure that the people who come into my webinar, you guys want to learn something, right? You guys want to learn what is professional trading. At least every time you gain a little bit of knowledge, you gain a little bit of skill, right? And eventually, right, you just become, you don't want to just become nuts. You want to become pro, right? You don't want to be calm. Where can I learn German for free? Sorry, I don't provide German course because I cannot speak Germany. I cannot speak German. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go on. Right, I will just leave this chart at here, so later on we can refer to this chart. Okay, let me just start for another one. How do you see BTC crash 80% to 14K? No, I don't foresee the BTC crash to 14K. However, do I do have a bearish idea for BTC to 32K or 34K. It's possible. It's possible. It's highly possible. All right. Great. Okay, so let me just open a chart, and we are going to use this 4 strategy one by one. Okay, for ETH. Let's take the look at the daily chart. Where's the sky? Where's the sky? Where's the heaven? Okay, 4,800. Where's the earth? 4,000 level. Okay, good. So after I draw this very important resistance area at 4,005. And after I draw this very important support at 4K, okay, where's my 1, 2, 3, 4? Can I buy from 4,000? Can I? What is this? 1 or 2? Yes, I'm sorry for that. You lost 70% because always going wrong trade. I think you lost 70% is not always being wrong. You lose 70% because you don't have a stop loss and you choose to carry on the loss. Yes, this is trading number 1. This is a 1. Good. You guys are clever. This is a 1. How about this? Short from 4,500. If the price rally to 4,500 and cannot go beyond anymore, what you can do? Yeah, I'm not. I won't being annoyed by those guys, but I want tell you guys for some real words because understand how to trade professionally is more important than receiving some signals, right? Okay, if you want to just trade purely by signals, you got to be really careful. How's the trading strategy carried by this guy, right? So this is 2. This is trading number 2. You want to take a short from 4,500, right? Okay, good. How about this? If the 4,100 was broken and retest, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? Where's the next? Yes, great. Can we sell from here? Can we? Can we sell from 4,000 and aim for 3,004 and 3,000? Because next support is coming to 3,002. What is the number of this strategy? 4 or 3? Yes, this is 4. All right, great. So tell me, in what kind of circumstance I will want to buy the ETH? I will only choose to buy the ETH if the 4K was supported. I will buy. Okay, come to 4,000, I want to buy. Come to 4,005, I want to sell. And since this is a top, double top, and I will prefer to sell the ETH when the neckline was broken, which is 4,000 is broken, and I want to wait for the pullback to sell again. Okay, is it simple? Will the BTC go up? BTC will go up to retest maybe 55K, and you want to sell again. Okay, so any other questions? Are we okay with this 1, 2, and 4 trading ideas for ETH? Are you? Or do you understand? Do you understand this number represent what does this mean for this number? Yeah. Check this. Okay, Earth, heaven. Okay, buy the Earth. First time come to heaven, sell the heaven. Okay, Earth broken down, sell the breakdown. Heaven broken down, broke up. Okay, buy the breakout. All right. Why not the higher one is heaven? Okay, because look at here. This is a rally-based job. This is a supply zone. You don't need to put the heaven at here. No. The huge sellers coming from these 3 red candles. Okay, this is what we call supply zone. Right? Yeah. You don't need to use the heaven to be put at here. But if you want, yes, it's okay. It's just telling you that, yeah, I want to sell from 4,700. But for here, since the high is getting lower, right? High, lower high. So the next one could be still a lower high and will be somewhere here. Okay, 4,600 is great place to sell. All right, good. Let's move on. Dog really tests 0.14. Okay, the dog coin is going to 0.1. Okay, so focus on here the 0.1. It may test this area because the dog has just broken down. It breaks 0.19, which is very, very bearish. Okay, we want to sell the dog from 0.19, or you want to wait for this area to be broken and pull back and buy. Okay, or you want to wait for the price to drop to 0.1 and buy. This is two possibilities for the dog. 有财富密码吗？有啊。But you have to ask me in English. Thank you very much. Is the bull run away for this year? Yeah. The the bearish trend already start. Okay. If you check the BTC, the double top already formed. Okay. And this is a great crash. So the bullish may end for this year. The maximum level it may go is 56K. Okay. All right. I will put in another way. If the BTC cannot rally break 56K, it will remain bearish, and the next target will be 32K. Okay, it may come to 32K for the next sell, right? Which time frame should we use? Okay, it's depending on the trading strategy, whether you want to be a day trader or weekly trader or monthly trader, right? If you want to hold for a long time, you better use weekly chart and daily chart. If you want to trade for a swing trade, okay, you want to take a swing trade from here to here, here to here, okay, you better watch for daily and a 4 hour. If you want to make some intraday trade, maybe 15 minutes and 30 minutes. All right, great. Let's move on. So, okay, so is also putting a top. 240 is a major resistance. And guys, tell me, if the price come to here, what's your strategy? You want to sell or buy? Do you want to sell or do you want to buy? And I can tell you the next Earth is about 156. So sell the high, buy the low. Okay. Yeah, this is number 2. 2 is sell the heaven. Okay, sell the touch of the heaven. 220 cannot broken. You just sell it and aim for 160. Yes, sell. Remember, sell is number 2. Sell the heaven. Okay, great. ADA. ADA is some interesting product. Interesting. It comes to 1.2 and I think already hit the previous support. Okay, so the support is here, the earth is here, and price already touched, and now it's bouncing back. Can you buy? Yes, you can. What's target? $2. You can aim for $2 or 1.80. Aim for this level. Okay, ADA 1.2, buy, aim for 1.8. FTM, buy from 1.1. FTM finish their pullback. It's okay to long from $1. Yeah, this one has a good 2 pin bars, right? First pin bar, second pin bar, ready to buy from here. Okay, it's okay to buy for FTM. Matic. Matic is strong. However, 2.4 become major resistance. If the 2.4 cannot be broken, right, you better sell. If the 2.6 was broken, you want to buy. Okay, always use these two. Sell the heaven or buy the breakout of heaven. It's either these two. Okay, but don't chase the high. Don't buy the Matic right now. You want to wait for the reversal to come and it may going back to test 1.6. Which EMA is suitable in the 5-minute charts? 8 EMA. 8. Which coin is going to pump up? If the BTC remains bearish, I think no coin is going to pump up, right? So for the DOT, 23 become good support. You can wait for, you can buy Aim for 36. 36 become very strong resistance right now, or 40. This level is very strong. The link. Our link test 16. Okay, good to buy the link from 16. Also, the link has already formed a harmonic patterns here. Okay, so it's okay to buy the link from 16 and aim for 28 and 32. Link, aim for 32. Okay, for the Ripple test 0.6. Wow, great price, guys. Ripple you can buy from 0.6. Okay, so wait for the price to retest a little bit and then you go for a buy. Aim for $1 and 1.2. And there's a bearish pattern comes for the Ripple. Okay, it tells you the Ripple may rally back to 1.6. Yeah, it's possible. This is possible. Waiting to all in BTC. Okay, I won't. Yeah, I cannot stop you to all in, but I will just yeah highlight that it's could be dangerous to all in. Okay, so consider the risk amount first before you choose to all in. All right. AVA, you want to sell from 100, right? This is a great place to sell from 100 AVA. Okay, waiting for the price to come here and then you go for a sell to 70 for the AVA. Okay, the one nice pullback to 0.15, right? This things we can buy. The one is okay to buy and aim for 0.25. We have some bullish rooms for the one. Atom, right? Okay, Atom is here. Okay, we're just pulling up. Okay, Atom sell. Atom is bearish. Okay, $25 was broken. Atom is likely to go back to retest 15 to this level. Atom. Okay, it may still going down. AXS. Okay, nice top. Neckline was broken. Sell the pullback from 116 to 120, and AXS may short down to $80. BNB double top formed. Trend line was broken. Sell. Okay, sell the BNB. It may go back to 440. Luna. Oh, okay. Luna just makes all-time high, $80. However, this pullback is quite weak. This is considered the bull trap, right? Second rally cannot bring new high. You may consider to sell the Luna. It may coming back to 45, and upon reaching 45, you may buy. Right? This is a Luna. For the VET, okay, VET has coming to a great place to buy, 0.07. Okay, VET is okay to buy. We have some room going back to 0.14. For the CRV already touched $3, but the 4.5 become major resistance. So this week, the heaven is here, the earth is here. 3 to 4.5. Okay, range trading for CRV. Okay, for the ICP, all right. Bearish. I think I covered this thing. I said 37 may not be supported. Yeah, so the ICP may still going down, right? ICP is dangerous. It may still going down. Don't buy. Okay, when the price is below 40, no buy for the ICP. Only consider buy the ICP when the price, break out 40 and pull back. All right, Algo $1.2 become major resistance. Sell the Algo. It may go back to 1.2. 1.2 is coming. Near. All right, near is bearish. $8 you want to sell. Sell the pullback for the near. This is structural breakout, and the price may go back to 4.8. Okay, to this level, 4.8 or $5. So sell the pullback for the near. For the GRT, GRT bearish 0.80 was broken. Sell it. Sell the GRT. It may test 0.4 to 0.35. For the ruin, ruin is bearish. 9.5 was lost. $10 was broken. Right? You may want to wait for the pullback and sell to 4. The ruin is going to retest the $4 area. Okay, ETH already covered. LTC bearish. Okay, sell the pullback to 190 here. Okay, pullback and sell. The LTC was bearish. We want to sell the high. So by using the sky and earth, the heaven and earth method, you are able to immediately choose a direction for your trades. Okay, TRX. Waiting for the TRX looks good. 0.07 become major support. TRX is okay to buy. Okay, repeat. TRX, the Tron is okay to buy and aim for 0.12. Thank you very much. Gem, right? Gem, okay, I will cover Gem later. For the EOS is bearish. EOS just lost 3.5. Sell it. Okay, sell the EOS. 3.5 was lost. It may break down to 2. Yeah, I think the EOS is very, very bearish. It may touch $2 or 1.8. EOS was dead. 3.5 you want to sell. BNB already covered. FIRO. Okay, for the Zilla. Okay, Zilicha. Zilicha is okay to buy from 0.6. This one looks good. Wow, today we only found like 3 to 5 products we want to buy. For the ZEAL, it's okay to long from 0.6 and aim for 0.9 or $1. This is the first target. The CH dead. Looks good. 0.20 was retested. So 0.20 has support and the price is ready to give into 0.41 or even to 0.50. FIRO. Okay, I will cover FIRO. For the sand, okay, the sand has already formed a double top, which I mentioned the last week. I think I mentioned that we want to sell the pullback after $6 was broken, and it did pull back and retest 4.5. And I also said 4.5 is okay to buy. So now the earth is here, the sky is there, okay, and I'm waiting for the breakout to 6.5, and then the price may going up. Okay, so I will already choose this pass for the sand. For the FIRO. Okay, FIRO. Wow, this is not good. Not good for the FIRO. It may still going down. I think it's going to retest $4. $4 is still bearish. Yeah, because huge resistance coming from $8. Price shooting down, and another drop is forming. It's incoming. Get ready. This thing is going to hit 4.6. ICP already covered. Sushi, sure. Sushi, okay. Sushi. Sushi is bearish. Okay, it just lost the support from $7, and you want to sell the sushi if the 7 is become a major resistance. Okay, the sushi is likely to fall back to $4 and 2.9. Okay, so wait for the price coming to 2.8 before you want to buy the sushi. Doodoo. Doodoo, alright. Doodoo looks good. Looks like 0.80 is supported. And you are okay to buy some Doodoo at here. Yeah, this is a good try. Okay, two falling but cannot break new low. And you want to buy for the Doodoo. Santos. Atom. Okay. Santos. Huh? I cannot find Santos. Oh, yeah. Here. REF. Wow, Santos is really very new. New products. If you want to invest, you can buy some little bit. But be careful. This thing may break down to 2.4. This is really new, right? This is really new. Unless you see a inside bar breakup and then you want to buy. Otherwise, it may still falling down. Shiba already covered. Long from 0.03. BZRX. What do you say about Sand? Okay, Sand already made the top. Sand already made the top. Okay, $6 was restricted, and the support coming from 4.5. So range trading for the Sand. What about the Mana? Okay, Mana lost their control at 4, and it's very nice to sell from 4. The Mana is going to drop again to retest $3 maybe. Yeah, the Mana is being restricted from 4, and you want to sell from 4. And this is a structure and a breakout trade. Ruin already covered. You can refer to the recording later. Gala. Okay, Gala still in a correction wave. The high is getting lower. Okay, the support coming from 0.35. Okay, wait for the triangle to be broken before you want to take the next move. I think it's going to retest 3.9 first. Okay, there might be another pullback to 0.39 and then go up. All right. REF. Anyone tell me what is REF? What is this coin for? Looks good. Okay. REF is okay to buy because it just hit the great support from 0.015. Okay, and price action shows good, and you may want to buy. Yeah, you can consider to buy the REF. It's good to buy. Shiba. Okay, Shiba already covered. You passed. You passed what? Shiba already covered. I covered Shiba in the first beginning. ADA. Okay, ADA. Oh, okay. ADA is okay to buy. 1.2, 1.2, 1.2 is a good support. Yeah, just follow the chart. I covered the ADA just now. All right. GXS. All right. GXS is going to be my last products coming to you guys. All right, and I'm going to finish the webinar because it's coming to the one end in 1 hour. All right, for GXS, it's going to fall to $1. Get ready to buy the GXS from 1. The price is likely to coming down, right? It's huge rally shooting from 1 to 5 and a good selling pressure from the top. And 2.5 is not going to hold. The price may falling back to 0.9 or $1. Before reach to 1, you want to wait for the price to come into this level and buy. So I think today I have already covered all 99% of the products you guys ask, and very importantly, I want you guys to remember the chart, remember the heaven and the earth trading rules, right? Buy the earth, sell the heaven, buy the breakout of heaven, sell the breakout of earth. And it's up to you if you want to learn a good trading strategy, such as my professional trader course, right? I do offer a very comprehensive trader course, and you can apply it for crypto markets and the original markets like FX and futures and stocks. Okay, yeah, don't always looking at the crypto only. There might be some interesting moves like Tesla, right? Like the Apple, right? Okay, I know a lot of you guys want to triple videos, okay, in the YouTube. You can just search for me in project here, and my trading view ID is TNT Sunrise. Okay, and thanks for coming. See you next week. Okay, so remember all the charts I tell you guys. Okay, such as Mana, BTC, ETH, LTC, XRP. So if you are not very familiar, you can wait for the recording to be uploaded and watch for the webinar again. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Sure. Thank you very much. Trade with your pen, all right? Plan your trade and trade with your pen. Don't gamble, right? Don't lose all your money.搞了。就是上次还是那个问题，就是我手机一旦开了 VPN，然后反而币安的这个 APP 啊，它就说这个连接不上。就是我不开 VPN 嘛，币安的这个直播我还能够改变，但是开了 VPN 就改变不了了。对的，所以你这个时候可以看一下医美的 ETF，right？ 看一下医美的 ETF， 然后找个机会，如果 ETF 在低位趴着跟在启动，基本上医美就要起来了。然后那个小天你可以想一想啊，就是如果说它这个低点你想买到低，你要冒点风险，对吧？那你可不可以分批买入呢？对吧？我们可以在低位，在那个趋势，在那个阳线不是特别强的时候，我们可以跌平涨回踩先进一点，然后等到运线上破啊，等到这个什么三角形破位啊，或者是这个颈线破了，然后我们再加仓嘛，是不是？
怎么了？它咬你啊？
嗯。
又咬你啊？
嗯。
我觉得田园猫跟宠物猫还是不太一样。怎么了它？在干嘛？我想好我的抖音名字了。
嗯。
我叫 Olive， 没有波派。
哎，别，
为什么？